on Instagram. I hope you'll hop on over there. I'm going to leave my Instagram name below, and I hope you'll check it out. Hope everyone's doing great today. We just got back from going shopping for some groceries, and we went to Lowe's, we went to dinner. So we just done all the things we typically do on a Saturday. I go to the grocery store about every 2 weeks, typically, which my husband does pick up things throughout the week for us. But I wanted to show you what we got. So I'm going to flip the camera around and show you. All right, hope you can see good. Sometimes it's hard for me to film like this. I got stuff for a couple nights dinner and a couple recipes I'm going to be sharing, dessert recipes for summer that are light and good. And I got a few things for breakfast, so I'll just show you what I got. Okay, that's better. I got some Cool Whip, some sugar cookie mix, 2 things of strawberries, some blueberries, some red seedless grapes, and bananas. I'm going to be using all that for a recipe. Now, my granddaughter loves strawberries, so I got an extra one of those. I got us some bone-in pork chops to do on the Blackstone, barbecue those. I love the brioche bread. This is the brioche hamburger buns. We're going to make smash burgers again. So we got those to grill. I got some sliced brioche bread for French toast, my Decadent French toast. I'll leave that link to it below. If you haven't seen that video, you need to check it out. Also, I'll leave the link to my smash burgers video on there. We got some sandwich bread. I like to make toast a lot of times with boiled eggs for breakfast or tuna salad for lunch. French style green beans. Some blueberry pie filling. That's for a dessert recipe I'm going to be sharing. Also got 2 cans of mandarin oranges. Some strawberry jam. I'm out of my homemade strawberry jam that I made this year, so I'm going to have to make some more. I got some whole buttermilk, which I love buttermilk and bread. I just eat that sometimes for dinner. I've got some 2% milk, my Maxwell House, and hazelnut creamer. I did buy the sugar-free creamer last time in the French vanilla. I just don't think it's sweet enough. I know that's terrible, but I just don't like it. 2 packs of cream cheese for recipes. Some snack cookies, some peanut butter wafers. I like these. My mom always buys these. I've got paint in my nails, guys. I had my red aspen nails on, and they wiped right off the on my real nails, not so much. So I'm going to have to scrub them good. I got these little caramel flavored rice cakes for snacking. Got some heavy whipping cream for a recipe. I got my grandbaby some of this. She loves popcorn. These little Belvita breakfast bars and these goldfish, and she loves barbecue chips. It's probably her favorite thing ever. So I got her those snacks. I'll be starting to keep her soon here, and her sister. I got some frosted crispy cereal. My husband picked out some golden graham cereal. I like to eat it at night for a snack if I get hungry. He doesn't eat cereal that much, but that's what he picked out. I got some sausage links to go with our French toast for breakfast. And I love these Sister Schubert rolls. I don't know if you all have ever tried them. They're so good. And I like the ones in the pan. My daughters like the ones that are in the bag, but I like these better. And my husband picked him up this little strawberry shortcake. He loves those from the deli. So this is our grocery haul. We didn't get a whole lot. Do you remember how much it was, Chad? He must be in the media room. He don't hear me. I cannot remember how much she said it was. It was still over $100. I remember that. I want to say like $130, but I could be wrong. But anyway, this is our grocery haul. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, I hope you'll decide to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to turn on your bell notifications. God bless you and have a great day. Bye.